How to fix snapshot C14a error. In this video I will show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem, guys. So just watch this video till the end. So now, and first, you don't need to open snapshot. Go and open the settings of your device, and after this go and open apps option. Here you have to search only for snapshot. When you find snapshot, guys, you have to open it like this and then go to storage option. Now what's next? You have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK. Also click on clear cache, then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what's the last step? You have now to restart your phone. After restarting your phone, your problem will be fixed correctly. So I hope, guys, this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.